Hello, hello. Cassandra here, aka the Prosperous Heart from www.prosperousheart.com. While I am trying to make sure that you can hear me by checking my Facebook Live, let me know where you're coming in from down below. I would love to be able to give you a shout out on the replay. So, thanks so much for watching me today. Again, I am here because, well, wow. If you looked at the description, you know that I'm on a mission to empower at least 10 people to become debt-free by 2020. And I made that decision because I have learned so much over the last 10 years that it's time to just start giving back and empowering others to create success. And oh my gosh, after this weekend, I am pumped. But that's for another day. Today, I wanted to make sure that you are aware, fully aware, that on Wednesday, January 16th, there's going to be an absolutely free training on how to leverage your business online using Facebook marketing. Now, when you leverage online marketing, you are utilizing something that's going to work for you 24/7. But if you leverage it incorrectly because you don't know how to limit spending, or maybe you're not really sure how to use the tools, or maybe it's just so daunting you just don't even know where to start, this can cause you a lot of problems. So I wanted to make sure that I got this information to you ASAP. Now, I have my own coaching program that I have opened up, so if you want direct coaching with me, let me know. But this Wednesday, my friend, fellow entrepreneur, fellow Facebook marketing strategist is going to be giving you a free training on how to do some pretty incredible stuff. A simple 3-step Facebook ad formula to get sales and get leads for your business, even if you only have like a $5 a day ad budget. Now, you can actually do it for less than that, but I'm going to be teaching that to my students. So go ahead, if you want the information, let me go ahead and put it in the comments down below so you have it. Oh, that's not it. I thought I had this already. My bad. But here you go. Boom. So when you click on that link below, go ahead and sign up so that you can be notified when he goes live. It will be at, I believe, 8 o'clock Central, 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern, but all the information is on that page. So thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful and prosperous rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.